Assalamualaikum guys. How are you all? I hope you're doing fine. It's me, Arva, who sent the little artist. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Cinderella. So I was showing you how to make Cinderella with her beautiful eyes. And if you want to make more princesses with me, just subscribe and click the like button and also play my playlist of princesses. There you can find all of the princesses that I've made. It looks so nice. I'm gonna also start making the hair, and then I'm gonna make the dress, the hands, the shoes, and I'll start making her. I'll start making her topper part, and now I'll start making her. I'll start making her hands with her gloves. That'll be so beautiful, and I'm gonna also sew. Her dress is gonna be so big and beautiful. If you like princesses, please subscribe and like my channel. Subscribe, like, and share my channel with your family and friends. So the shoes are made like she's belling, like she's making a pose. That's why the shoes are made it that way. See, like that. Since she's making a pose, I think she might be my favorite one yet. Do you know who is my favorite princess? It's the Snow White, Cinderella, Elsa, and I also like the princess in the water. I don't know what her name is. She's with a fishtail and then she turns into someone. She's with red hair. Comment below if you know who she is. But I really like her. My most favorite princess is Snow White. I'm gonna start coloring, and I'm in color yellow color. It's looking so beautiful. Guys, whatever you draw or paint, you have to work with pencil, and then you have to work with the color. Like this, step by step, you can make a masterpiece. Always draw with one thing and color with one thing too. I mean, you can color with lots of colors, but only use one thing, markers or colors. You can make both to make a masterpiece. I'm going to color the eyes. I'm going to color the closed eyes brown to make it really beautiful. Ooh, start twinkly. Now I'm going to start coloring the blue color. And then I'm going to start coloring the blue color on her dress. I really like Frozy Blue. It's so much beautiful. Looking at it makes me so much happy. Do you know some stars are also blue? Some stars are yellow and beautiful. Now I'm going to start coloring the dark blue on the sleeves to make it look beautiful. It looks so beautiful right now. And now I'm going to start coloring the light blue. I'm going to color it on the frock, the whole frock, but not on the twisters there. The stars look so beautiful. It almost like the stars are past her hair. Now I'm gonna color Frozy Blue. Now I'm gonna color light blue. Whoa, the star is so much twinkling. It means that I am doing beautiful coloring and beautiful drawings. Do you know stars? Do you know that Cinderella also likes stars, and she also likes to put on shoes? And she had a stepmother. Her stepmother told her to tear her pink and beautiful dress, and then make a dress with the pink fabric for them, and not for her since she wasn't going to the ball. Now I'm gonna start coloring the shoes. The bow is gonna be red, and the whole shoe is gonna be light blue or dark blue. Now I'm gonna color dark blue on the shoes. And then I'm almost done. I gotta color the closed eyes now. And then I'm gonna start coloring. And then I'm gonna start coloring some light orange to make it peach. It's almost done. I'm gonna put it in the sunlight so you can see the bright color and the bright light. So what are you going to do? For get a marker, a paper, and start making your drawings with me. Subscribe!